In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Excel docs into Microsoft Whiteboard, a handy feature that can streamline your workflow and enhance your digital collaboration experience. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Whiteboard. This is essential whether you're using a Windows device or accessing it via the web app. Microsoft Whiteboard is part of the Office 365 suite, a fantastic tool for brainstorming and organizing ideas visually, perfect for both solo projects and team collaborations. Once you're on the Microsoft Whiteboard page, look for the Sign In button and click on it. If you've previously used Microsoft Whiteboard or any Office 365 tools, you may automatically be recognized. However, if you aren't automatically logged in, you'll need to manually enter your credentials. This includes your email address, password, and any additional verification information that might be required. If you don't have an account yet, it's quick and easy to set one up, enabling you to access all the features Whiteboard has to offer. After successfully logging in, the next step is to open Microsoft Whiteboard on your computer. You'll see a blank canvas on your screen, waiting for you to start bringing in your data. So, how do we get that Excel document onto the whiteboard? Look towards the bottom of the screen, and you'll find an icon that looks like an ellipsis, or 3 dots. This is where you'll find the option to handle documents. Click on this ellipsis icon, and from the menu that appears, select the option labeled Documents. This is your gateway to accessing a variety of different file types. Here, look for the My Files option. Selecting My Files opens up a file explorer, giving you the ability to browse through PDFs, Word documents, PowerPoint files, and of course, Excel files. You can choose to browse files saved on your computer or those stored in your OneDrive, making it convenient if you're working across multiple devices or collaborating with others remotely. Navigate through the File Explorer to find your desired Excel document. Select it and hit Open. Watch as Microsoft Whiteboard works its magic, displaying your Excel document as a series of images right on your canvas. Each sheet and table from your Excel document will be rendered clearly, allowing you to tweak, annotate, or share them as needed. This integration is seamless and empowers you to make the most out of your Excel data, especially when you need to brainstorm based on figures and charts, collaborate with team members, or simply organize information in a visual manner. Experiment with various documents and see how they fit into your whiteboard projects. It's really that simple to start leveraging your Excel files with Microsoft Whiteboard. Enjoy this powerful integration and happy whiteboarding!